Today I'm in Midstream Ridge Estate that is located inside Midstream, that is located also between Johannesburg and Pretoria. We're standing in front of this beautiful 6-bedroom property that have so many options available and with a beautiful view from the top level that the eye can see so far as you want to wish. And let me show you. Let's go in, have a look. This property is for 10,950,000. There is transfer duties that you need to pay, and so this is not direct from a developer, but the quality, the finishes, everything looks like brand new. You'll see all the uniqueness, special finishes and the variety of options that this house offers. There's also a private gym room, a nice big lap pool, and so many other nice features like this 3.5 garages. Yeah, so many things. Let me show you. Look at the variety as we enter: wood, steel, concrete, aluminium, a variety, glass, and from the front door all the way straight through this high double volume areas, plus all the doors is extra length. A feature immediately as you walked in, winter time, a beautiful gas fireplace, ideally located at this entrance wall here. Nice positioned layout, and just a nice cozy area for to sit with the family, to read a book, just to chill and entertain. As you can see, a nice open plan. Garages come from the one side, and then also behind me is the bedroom number 6 that at this stage has been used as a full gym room with a sauna. Let me show you. Your guest bathroom. Coming in here, also like I mentioned, this is ideally to use for a gym room, but the option also as bedroom number 6. Cupboards, anything you're looking for inside a bedroom, with a shower, basin and a toilet. Beautifully finished. Gibbered toilets, frameless showers, and then also this floating vanities. From here we can go directly onto the pool. And with a beautiful decking area. This can close with a remote control, and the nice thing about it, you can utilize then this full area, and let me show you. So this area can be fully covered as a full decking area where you can entertain, sit and enjoy this full part on your deck. Something also very unique about this property is the location and the privacy. While we're standing here, you'll notice there's no neighbors looking down on you. Everything is private, surrounded with trees, fruit trees, and just beautiful landscaped garden. You still have enough space here for the kids to play and enjoy, run around. And then also the elevation on the property is so special and different. It's not the everyday house. Very nice, must say, compliments to this architect on this design and the beautiful layout. Let me show you inside. These doors slide direct into this cavity walls to get the maximum use of space. And it's sliding all the way to this side. The doors on that side also slides, but the open feel that you can experience while you're standing here and looking at this beautiful garden. Something to take note is on this high ceilings and the amount of space and natural light that's coming into this property. Beautiful tops, quality finishes, everything that you're looking for. Your bar area directly next to your open braai, and also just not into your face but close to this door. And if you want to open up and slide your doors all the way to this side for some extra fresh air. Coming into the kitchen, you got this extra breakfast nook area. On this side, you have a big built-in kitchen nook, breakfast nook, that is ideally located for the whole family to sit down while you're enjoying breakfast in the morning, or even a nice lunch. Your built-in electrical plugs. Look at this beautiful finishes on the top. And then your Miele appliances with a warm drawer, built-in warm drawer. Your prep bowl, all the extra amount of drawers. Look at the natural downlights and the plants that give this ambience and a beautiful look while you just relax while you enjoying cooking a meal. Extra space, lots of cupboards, then a gas plate, a teppanyaki plate, and then another hob, also a Miele appliance. Quality finishes, ready for you to use. You got enough space for your wine bottles, your double door fridge, and it also have a water connection point if you want to buy one of those fridges that makes ice and cold water. This is the spot for your fridge. Standing here looking to that direction is towards the bar, and while you're cleaning up from your bar area, direct into the scullery, and then at the back, this side here, let me show you, you do have a walk-in pantry that is ideally positioned. Standing here, while we're standing here looking at your appliances, you'll notice there's one appliance here, and that is for your dishwasher. The others I'll show you now is in the garage. They got a special place for you to prepare your washing. I'll show you now. Look at this door. Remember the height that I said? I'm about close to 1.9 meter, and this is over 2 meters. And you can close up your scullery after your busy weekend of entertainment. Looking at all the variety of tiles, woodwork, laminating, and then this nice natural plants give you this calm effect, and you feel you just want to sit and enjoy life, breathe this nice fresh air from all these nice trees standing outside. Let me show you upstairs. Let's go. Before we go there, let me show you the 3 garages and also the space where your appliances, washing machine and tumble dryer will stand. Coming inside the garage, you got enough storage space underneath your staircase, space for tumble dryer, full Victron inverter system plus batteries, and that makes a big difference. As you can see, space here for your appliance, space where you can iron, and then your extra storage space where you want to store shelving. And notice the height for this garage and the width is extra longer, extra higher. Let's go. Let's look upstairs. We're back here at the entrance wall. This is where we started, where we come in, and let's go up. You can even feel this staircase. It's not so steep, and you can easily walk up here. So this property is divided in 3 bedrooms on this side of the house, and then 2 bedrooms on that side, plus a small study nook for small office work when you get home. From here, beautiful open and a private pajama lounge, kitchenette, water point, electrical points, air conditioning, TV points behind me, and just this enough space from here going straight out onto your balcony with the entertainment space you're looking for. Coming out here, the first thing you need to notice, nobody will build in front of you. I can see the R21 going to the airport, and even behind it, I think it was, if it was a clear day, I'll see up to Delmas. Easy. Your own private fireplace, your Boma. You can sit here and just visualize in the evening sitting here with your fireplace, gas fireplace, and the flames burning, and while you're preparing your pizza and sitting enjoying a nice favorite cocktail, you can jump in a jacuzzi. And then something that's also nice what the guys looking for is this bar area. So you got the bar area here, your jacuzzi, your own fire pit, gas fireplace, and then your movable pizza oven, and a beautiful look. Yeah, privacy again. From here you don't have a roof, covered roof here, but very private, open, so the day if it's gonna rain you can put an umbrella up, but the look here, beautiful. One important factor of Midstream Estate is that everybody need to live out northeast. So as you can see, the swimming pool and your entertainment area, everything is on the northern side of the property and northeastern side. So the neighbor in front of you also living out to that side. If the neighbor's windows looking to the back onto your entertainment area, the windows will be frosted to the south and to the west. So there's a lot of private space. Each and every house need to comply to that rule. That's very important. Then while we're standing here, you'll notice how big is this trees. Even while we're standing here, there's not even your neighbor on this side can look to this side. It's so private and secure. Upstairs you got another guest toilet, Gibberit toilets, floating vanities, And again, notice this high doors, lot of extra cupboard space. This clean lines, clinical look, lots of natural light coming in, sliders, sliding doors, study corner, or even a makeup station with an ensuite bathroom, shower, basin and toilet, a full bathroom, and again clinical, all beautiful lines, straight and perfectly built. Let's look at the second bedroom. Again, privacy. You can see no neighbors, no windows on that side. That small windows on the right hand side is frosted, so nobody can look onto it, open it up and look through it. It's sealed. Enough cupboard space, and look at the size on this bedroom with your own balcony and frameless balustrades, glass balustrades. Let's look at this atrium area. While you're having a busy day at the office and you're coming home, you can open up this area, and at this stage it's afternoon sun, but sitting here in the morning or later the evening with this natural fresh air coming in this atrium, you can sit and enjoy working here from home in the nice fresh air, open study area. Here's two bedrooms, also ensuite, shower, basin and toilet, floating vanities, and then basically a mirror. These two rooms are mirrors of each other's. This bedroom is also part of this atrium, and with a double slider. Coming in also, same as the bedroom next door, shower, basin and a toilet. Enough cupboard space, beautifully positioned, northern window, and just the natural fresh air coming in. Let's look at the other beautiful part, is the main bedroom. This is your second bathroom for those two other bedrooms on this site. Then they can utilize this area, or people that's in the pajama lounge can also use this bathroom. Entering the main bedroom, enough space to place your own lounge suite here with a view to die for. When you wake up in the morning, the sunrise in the east, you'll see the sun coming up, and just experience this nice view as far as the eye can see. This is not something you will experience with all the houses in Midstream, so it's important to find the right location to experience a view like this. Let's look at the ensuite. Notice you got an air conditioning here. Main ensuite bathroom is combined with your dresser, so everything is here. While you're soaking in your bath, you can check the TV. You've got a beautiful shower with an extra big rain head shower. Separate toilet behind me, his and hers basin, and this open plan, beautiful dresser area. Beautiful space, nice and open, everything you're looking for, and quality finishes. Mentioning again, the same finishes that you see from the kitchen tops all the way straight through, looking at this quality finishes. Let's do a summary on this property. It's located in Midstream Ridge Estate, and this house do have 6 bedrooms. You can utilize bedroom number 6 for a gym room. There is staff accommodation. You got 3 garages, plus the extra space in front for extra storage, open plan living areas, big pajama lounge, entertainment balcony, air conditioning, quality finishes, a bar area, your braai area, this big open plan yard space with this beautiful swimming pool, lap pool, with that enclosed or decking area that close up onto the pool.